Nikolai, welcome back. How was your Thanksgiving?
It was good. It was fun. I met a lot of new people from my family that I haven't seen in a while.
Oh, you went up to Long Island, didn't you?
Yeah.
Oh, so that must have been great.
It was. There was a lot of food. And then one of my family members, they made this cheesecake apple crisp.
Oh.
It was like apple crisp filling with like a crust. And then they put cheesecake in the middle. It was really good.
Oh my God, I don't think I've ever heard of something like that. They're coming up with all these incredible ways of doing things lately. It's so fattening though. Did you eat a lot?
I ate a lot. I ate a lot of dinner, but then I ate 2 plates of dessert, which is very bad.
Well, we can do it once in a while, can't we?
Yeah.
So we are definitely going to be determined here to finish your first piece, right?
Yes.
We are. And we're doing our first proto. Well, actually, no, we're right on our actual piece now. We're